What's up everyone, it's Diana. Welcome back to my channel. I have not been on YouTube in a minute, and I know I'm always saying I'm gonna come back, but I am officially trying to come back and do this more consistently because I love making videos. I have a little bit more time on my hands now that I graduated college, and I'm excited to be back on YouTube again. So today I'm going to be doing a Euphoria makeup tutorial. I've never personally done it, but I am very excited to be trying it out, and you guys will be coming along with me. I am going to be making some TikToks after this, so keep an eye out for that. I will link all my social medias down below. If you do end up liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will be starting to post every Sunday at 5 p.m. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so right now I have no idea what I'm doing. Kind of just gonna wing it. I have some inspiration. I'm gonna go with something like this. I don't really have like the gems on the top end, but I do want to try out glitter thingy on the bottom. I kind of have an idea of what I want to do, so I'm just gonna get right into that. I'm gonna prime my face today using the No Problem Prime Essence by Touch and Soul. I think that's how you say it. I got this from like my Ipsy bag like years ago. I still have it, and I'm still gonna use it. So I'm going to start off with my eyeshadow, and then I'm going to go with my foundation and all my face makeup, and then I am going to do the glitter on the bottom. So first things first, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star concealer in the shade C0, so it's like pure white, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. This is really going to help brighten up like the colors. If you were to use like more skin tone shade, the colors might not pop as much. I'm going to zoom in a little bit over here. And then I'm going to use this really small beauty blender, and I'm going to blend out the concealer that we just put on our eyes. So that's all blended out. I'm going to use the Morphe X Nikita eyeshadow palette. I really like the color scheme in here. It's really pretty. My favorite is this shade over here. It's different colors, and I'm thinking about using this underneath my eyes as the glitter, and then I have no idea on what I want to do for the rest of that. I'm going to use the shade Nicholas, which is like this really light tan color, and I put that all over my eyes so it can just set the concealer. And I'm going to be using the Morphe X Jeffree Star JS11 brush, which is kind of like a flat top, and I am going to use the Fenty Beauty dry brush cleaner and kind of just clean out whatever powder is in there. Okay, perfect. I'm going to take this shade right here. This is called Sakura. I'm not sure, but it's this really like baby pink right over here. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid. I'm going to use the JS11 brush from the Morphe X Jeffree Star collection. And you kind of just want to like dab it in instead of like blending it out right away, because I just want the pigment to really show on my eyelids. So now I'm going in with shade ABG from the Nikita palette, which is this one right here, because I feel like the pink is a little too light and it's not really showing up the way I want it to, even though I used the eyeshadow. I feel like instead of going for more of a pink look, I kind of want to go for a little purple look, so that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. And then I'm going to take the shade Mama Dragon, which is this really dark purple right here, and then I'm just going to put that into the crease. So I used the Morphe X Jeffree Star JS7, which is like an eyebrow brush with the spoolie at the end. I used that to kind of just wing everything out and kind of lined it out. Okay, so that's what I have so far. And then I'm going to add some concealer a little bit halfway through my eyelid, and then I'm going to add like a shimmery color to it. And the concealer that I used was the Jeffree Star concealer in the shade C14. I'm going to blend that out. So the shades, like the shimmer shades in the Nikita palette, was not my favorite, so I took the Jeffree Star Cosmetic Extreme Frost Choking on Ice highlighter. It's kind of a more of a purple white iridescent color, and I put some on my eyelid so far, but I'm going to go ahead and finish that off. So I added that purple iridescent shade onto the lid, and I blended the previous color to blend it in. So far it looks like this. So next I'm going to take the NYX Glitter Goals in the shade Quartzy. It's like a glitter liner, and I'm going to put that all over around the eyeshadow. So I think I am pretty much done with this eye. I'm gonna go do the other eye off camera, and then I will be right back. Okay, so now to my face makeup. So let's get going on that. I already put the primer on my face. So next thing will be foundation. I am going to be using the Morphe 2 Charlie & Dixie foundation in the shade Hint of Toast. This is my second time using this. I kind of want to try it out a little bit more. Might have put too much, too little, I'm not sure. Blend it out with the Wet Beauty blender. Okay, foundation is on. And now I'm gonna go in with concealer. I really don't wear concealer as much, but I'm going to just for this video. I kind of want to get into it a little bit more, but I'm gonna go back in with the Jeffree Star C14 concealer and just put that underneath my eyes. Next, I'm going to take the Jeffree Star Mousse Powder in the shade Beige, and I'm going to put that where I highlighted my face. Then to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the Item Beauty Powder Hour in the shade Taupe, and then I'm just going to put this on the back of my head to start seeing like little powder coming out, which I do, and then I'm just going to dab it all over my face. Next, I'm going to take the Item Beauty bronzer in the shade Mood Vibes and then just kind of bronze up my face a little bit. I'm going to be using the Morphe X Jeffree Star JS2 brush. Then I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to use the Item Beauty again eyebrow pencil in the shade 0B03, I'm assuming. I'm not sure. I'm gonna brush it out with the spoolie at the end. Okay, so I am going to then highlight my face. I'm just going to avoid the cheek area for right now. I'm going to be using the highlighter that we use on our eyelids and then the Morphe X Jeffree Star GS4 brush. And then just going to highlight over here. I'm going to set it with the Morphe X Jeffree Star setting spray. And then blend it out with the Beauty Blender. Alright, and then I'm going to go back to the eyes real quick and then just do the bottom lashes. I think I want to do a different color. I'm going to use the shade Rezion. It's this blue shade right here. And then I'm just going to put it underneath my eye. And then I'm going to go in with mascara. I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Curvitude. Okay, now that I'm done with my mascara, I'm going to put on some falsies. I'm going to use the Ardell. They look like this. It's pretty light and it's not really crazy at all. And I'm going to use the Duo glue and just put that on my lashes. Okay, so now the lashes are on. I had to do that off camera because it took me a long time for no reason. But now I'm gonna do the glitter, which I'm very excited for. I think I'm gonna go in with the Morphe eyelid primer, which I'm just gonna put underneath my eyes. And then I'm gonna use the Athena brush, Keep Smiling 8010 brush, and it kind of looks like that. And then I'm gonna put the primer on the back of my hand and then just kind of pat it into the brush. And that's how it looks. Hopefully it comes out good because I don't know what I'm doing. And then I'm going to take, in the Morphe X Nikita Dragon palette, I'm going to take this shade called Matrix, which is this shade here, and then I'm going to put that where I put the primer. For my first time, I don't think it's bad. I mean, I definitely could have done it a little better, but I love it. I like it a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and put some lipstick on. I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star lipstick in the shade Androgyny. Okay, so the lipstick is on. I am thinking to put a little bit more of the blue on the bottom of my lashes to kind of connect the glitter. And then I think I'm gonna add a little bit of the shade Nikita, which I'll show you in a minute, under here too. I use the shade called Nikita, which is this shade right here, that pink shade, to kind of mix and match with the blue to kind of pop it up a little bit more. And then I'm going to take this shade Cyborg, which is the shimmery shade right there, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. And this is all set. I am going to do my hair real quick and then I will show you the finished look. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I'm obsessed with this. This is literally my first time ever doing this type of look, and even though it's not perfect or it's not the way like most people do it, it's very different from me and my first time, and I think I did a great job. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, just give it a thumbs up like I said before, and subscribe to my channel. I will be trying to post every Sunday at 5 p.m. about my goal for my channel is to be like more of a like helpful makeup tutorial for beginners or slash, you know, these type of looks. If you guys have any suggestions or any questions about certain things like how to put eyeliner on, mascara, foundation, how to match your foundation color to your skin, please ask me that in the comments below. I'd love to help out with any of those questions. I also am hopefully starting a master's program soon, and I want to start making college videos since it is an online program, and I know a lot of people do have online programs. I do want to start making college videos, morning routines, night routines. So if you guys are interested in any of that stuff, just please, you know, subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments what do you want to see next. My social media will be all linked down below. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, so I will see you on my next video. So have a great one, guys. Bye.